Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are charged and updated so software mismatches don't block pairing. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on the iPhone and keep the watch close. Open the watch app, tap Start Pairing, and point your iPhone camera at the animation on the watch. This establishes the secure handshake. Once done, let the devices exchange settings. This is why updates and proximity matter for certificates and Bluetooth negotiation. If scanning fails, tap Pair manually on the watch and enter the 6-digit code shown. This bypasses camera problems and completes the secure key exchange. If the process stalls, restart both devices and relaunch the watch app to clear transient Bluetooth or daemon issues. For persistent connectivity glitches, reset iPhone network settings. This clears corrupt Wi-Fi or Bluetooth profiles that can block discovery. Once those steps complete, resume pairing. Each restart and reset addresses a different layer of the connection stack. Finish by choosing Restore from Backup or Set up as New, then sign into your Apple ID so iCloud and health data sync. This is how preferences and apps return. Allow the initial sync to finish before interrupting apps and media load in the background. If pairing repeatedly fails, erase the Apple Watch, Settings General Reset, and try from scratch. This clears corrupt pairing data. If that still fails, contact Apple support. Hardware faults or account issues may require deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.